This is the ingredients you'll be needing for a really quick fruit salad. You'll need about 3 apples, and we'll be slicing them and chopping them into little squares. I like to make this fruit salad for birthday parties, family gatherings, and events. It's really yummy and everyone loves it. Do not use the center of the apple, throw it away. Also the bottom of the strawberry. Proceed to cutting the strawberries into little pieces. Now we mix the apples and the strawberries in a bowl. For the mixture, I like using Daisy sour cream, you will be needing sweetened condensed milk, blend it together, place apples and strawberries in the mix, open the can of fruit cocktail and drain the syrup. Place the cocktail fruit in the mix. Throw some pecans in. Sprinkle some coconut flakes. And my favorite, the Minni colored marshmallows. I was in Florida at the time and I went to Walmart to get the ingredients, and they didn't have the Cool Whip on the container. I always like and prefer that one. They only had the one in the can, but it will do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.